Aside from keeping vampires at bay, garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health conditions, including boosting the body's defenses. Garlic contains a potent compound called allicin, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that can help to fight off infections and support a healthy immune system. Here's how garlic can help boost your immune system. 1. Antiviral and antibacterial properties. Garlic is known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. These properties help to kill harmful microorganisms, including viruses, bacteria, and fungi, that can weaken white blood cells. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to lower inflammation in the body, which is associated with a weakened immune response. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Garlic has selenium, vitamin C, and quercetin. These antioxidants can help to protect the body from damage caused by harmful free radicals. If you're new to the garlic game, try incorporating it into your daily diet in the following ways. 1. Add fresh garlic to your salad dressing or marinade for a flavorful and nutritious boost. 2. Use garlic in your cooking by sautéing it with vegetables, adding it to soups, or incorporating it into your favorite pasta dishes. 3. Roast whole garlic cloves and spread them on whole grain bread for a delicious and nutritious snack.